What's up, you money makers? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to talk about ticker symbol SIRC, Solar Integrated. This is an OTC traded stock. I've been looking at this stock for the last couple of weeks. I really like what I see because take a look. It is down, going more down, and it did go at 1.63 cents, precisely 63 cents in last 52 weeks, and it went as down as 2 cents. Now, why I'm super excited about this stock, I'm going to share precisely because I really see that the revenue jumped up. The company has been moving forward. We are seeing their volume went up as well. I will be sharing some of the data from their unaudited balance sheet. We'll be taking a look from last year and this year what the company did in terms of the revenue. We'll be also looking into the shareholder cancellation that they have confirmed already for 53 million common shares, which is going to bring down their OC, so outstanding shares into the market, and we will be looking into their market cap and what the authorized shares looks like. And on the top of that, I'll be doing my analysis in terms of the price action and what the chart tells us in terms of the moving average. Can it go back to 60 cents? Now, if you think about 60 cents, it is 3x from where we are right now. Remember, we have done amazingly well, especially in HCMC, ILUS, CYBL. Many of my viewers and subscribers are riding for free, and this could be another stock, SIRC. And I'm not sharing advice to buy or sell, nor am a certified professional, so do your own due diligence. I'm merely trying to share what I have been researching and what I believe for me is a good investment. I do not really have or own any SIRC at the moment, but it's really interesting, so I'm sharing this information with you. In return, all I ask you is just hit the like button. We need at least 100 likes. If you click the like button, that tells me that you like this video, so I'll be building more and more content on this particular stock. Write down in the comment section below if you want me to do more videos for SIRC, and do not forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos. We have been super successful both in penny stock, OTC stocks, as well as large cap stocks. And as you know, we have a small niche, so I do not talk about every single stock that comes into the market. Rather, what we do is we look into it, we do enough research and analysis, and something like this, in last 5 days, it went down 31%. This is a good stock for me when it goes down, because when market is fearful, you want to be greedy. In last 1 month, in last 4 weeks, it went down 51%. The opposite of ILUS. I've been covering ILUS on my channel, and it went up 100%. Now, this could be an opportunity. Once again, if someone buys around 18 cents, by 36 cents, if it hits again, you sell 50% of your stocks, which means you have no money in the game out of your pocket. You are riding through the profitability. Now, let's talk about what this stock is up to and what they have been doing. Once again, I already shared that in last 1 month, it went down 51%. Now, SIRS is proud of scaling that we realized the establishing ourselves as a national platform company. They have made incredible progress in last 5 years, and they went the revenue from $7 million in 2017 to $90 million year to date as of June 30th, 2022. So the year has not just ended. So they will be doing a lot more in terms of the revenue. Take a look right here. Financial year 2021, they have done almost $80 million in revenue. In 2022, they have already done $90 million in revenue. And if you take a look right here, it's an exponential growth in terms of the revenue, as you see right here, which is amazing because this kind of companies tell me that the company has a ton of potential in terms of the profitability. And you know what I do? The next thing is I look into their balance sheet, June 30th, 2022, and I want to share this information with you. Cash and cash equivalent doesn't really matter. They had 1.1 million. Right now they have 500,000. But take a look right here. This is receivable or net receivable, which is part of their asset. They had at the end of December 31st, 2021, 33 million. Right now receivable is 68.5 million, which is amazing in my opinion. And again, I want to compare with last year and this year, 2021, June 30th. What did they do? 7.9 million. So almost $8 million in terms of the revenue that they had in Q2 2021. Right now, they have done 66.2 million, which is massive. So they almost hit 10x in terms of the revenue. Now, you want to see one more thing. Their gross profit is $30 million. Now, one more thing I wanted to call out here is $861,000, only $861,000 that they had in gross profit in 2021. Right now, based on this balance sheet, you are seeing $30.5 million in terms of the gross profit. Wait, but the story gets even better. Take a look right here. What is their net income? They had the loss of 4.3 million in 2021 right here. Right now, in this particular quarter ending June 30th, what they have done in 2022, they have done $21.1 million positive net income. I verified this couple of times, multiple times, because I wanted to get this right. So they are doing extraordinary well. Now, one more thing, when I look at these numbers, one more thing I have to look into is what their share structure looks like. And we have seen gazillion and gazillion shares. If you think about HCMC, ILUS, CYBL, all those penny stocks, especially OTC stocks, they have their common or outstanding shares in billions. Take a look at this company. Right now, their market cap is $121 million with the price point of 20 cents, as you see right here. Their authorized shares are 650 million. Outstanding shares are 541 million shares. So it's not a huge number compared to many other OTC stock. So Solar Integrated Roofing Corporation is an exciting company, and it has ton of potential, at least based on what I shared with you. It's pink current right at the moment. Their float is 367 million, and all in all, the company has done amazingly well, as I already talk to you. Solar Integrated reported the record second quarter in 2022 with the financial results growing revenue by 746%. Guys, this is not a small deal. This is a big deal for the company of a size that they did 8 million last year. Right now they are doing 66 million. I cannot really brag more about this company because this is exciting. Now, why the stock is going down, we'll talk more about that, so stay tuned. Don't forget, if you haven't clicked the like button, click the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. And if you click the like, that gives me a signal to build more and more video about SIRC. And you can take a look at my channel and take a look at the track record. We have been pretty successful, not just last year, this year, even bigger and better. Take a look what they did from July 26th through August 8, they did 227%. That is more than 2x return, which means $1,000 turns into $2,000 that you can't really find anywhere else. However, I just wanted to call out that the revenue in second quarter ended June 30th, as we talked about, 746% to $66 million compared to $7.8 million that they had in the same second quarter in 2021. Net income in second quarter was $18.9 million, and it is really amazing. And 4 cents per basic and diluted common shares. They awarded 5-year blanket purchase agreement with the U.S. General Services Administration as part of the $5 billion federal fund that they have allocated to EV charging installation in the Biden administration infrastructure bill. Now, this bill is going to be super impactful for many companies, but especially for SIRC, and which is what I am super excited, which is why I'm sharing this information with you. They have secured the agreement with AED with the development and financial turnkey as alternative energy system. So there are two programs right now. One is solar energy, second one is EV energy, and you can call it infrastructure bill or you can call it inflation bill or whatever that is, but it is both the businesses are very much aligned with what SIRC does. They have filed the audited financial statements for the year ended 31st of 2021, transition to a more traditional December fiscal year, positioning the company to accelerate the uplisting strategy. Now, they want to get uplisted on one of the major stock exchange. Could that be NYSE or NASDAQ? I do not know, but I'll be sharing that information with you. What excites me further is, take a look right here, that the company is pleased to confirm that the shareholder cancellation of $53 million common shares per their June 14th, 2022 PR or press release. They should be reflected in the next TA update. We'd like to thank our shareholders for the patience, so on and so forth. Now, what that means is, company is also focusing on the shareholder value, so they are diligently working on that. Let's say if they start uplisting, and this is even bigger in my mind, this is even bigger than what we have seen for ILUS back in the days for CYBL or MUL and the Mullen Automotive. This is amazing. This is going to be like not just 2x or 3x. I feel like this could be 10x company in terms of the stock price. What they have been up to is they are also filing the form, or they have filed the form 10, makes us fully SEC reporting company, and this linchpin event brings about a new era in our history that will unlock the tranches of bank funding valued over $100 million. Now think about it. If the company is doing such an amazing rate in terms of the revenue, in terms of the profitability, any bank will loan them the money. What that will do, that will fuel a ton more growth into what SIRC has been doing. They're proud of this accomplishment and they look forward to becoming a green energy powerhouse, $SIRC. Now, the important thing for all the shareholders, what they are doing in terms of the stock. Now, 3.9 million is the average volume. The current volume today on September 19th, the Monday, 7.7 million. So, which is almost double than the average volume. So, the volume is trying to get into the right direction. Take a look. There was 1.2 mil, 1.5 mil, so on and so forth. They went to 5.6, went down to 2.5 million. By the way, if you are not sure what is volume, volume is number of shares transacted on a particular transaction day. So, in other words, Monday, the September 19th, total number of shares that are transacted are 7.7 million. Now think about it, where the company did, what the stock did, and how it did work out. We were just 31 cents right now. So on 31st of August, on September 1st, they were 31 cents, in other words, and right now we are at 19 cents or 20 cents rather. So the stock price has cut in 1/3. So 66% is remaining and 33% just went into the thin air with what you have seen in terms of what NASDAQ is doing. The meltdown happens, so on and so forth. Now there is a lot of potential because we are going back up in terms of the volume, but the price is going even lower and lower. If you take a look right here, we went to 65 cents as I just mentioned, and then we brought the stock price down to 20 cents. Right now, if you take a look, we are at 29 cents. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video.